Hi. Welcome to PDF.co. In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to parse a group disability form using PDF.co document parser. Let's start. We prepared a sample insurance that we're going to use for this tutorial. To start, go to your PDF.co dashboard and click Document Parser. On the Document Parser page, click New Template. Now that you're on the template editor page, load the source PDF that you're going to use. To start creating your template, you need to select an object. We're going to use Add Table from Rectangle Selection Object to get the values inside the table. Next, to get the value of other data, select Add Field from Rectangle Selection. Once you're done selecting all the data that you want to extract, you may now run the template. Here's the output using the template that we created. That's it for this tutorial. We have a lot of tutorials that you can check on our YouTube channel or on our website. Thanks for watching.